Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So just I've come again here in the video basically to get some sort of motivation because sometimes I lack motivation. So I just watch my previous video because that is how basically I motivate myself sometimes because there are a lot of time where we got distracted to our goals, which is if you are human being, so it will happen to you as well. So you need to basically rethink and just try to take some basically break and then restart it again. Just start see your starting point, why you have started and why it means a lot to you. So today that video is all about like how you can motivate yourself once you got distracted from your goals, because that's happened to every person. Because in my life as well, if I told you like multiple time I upload basically switch my focus towards different activities. So but if you thinking about a broader perspective, so you need to understand that if you are consistently working on one thing, that will going to revert you. If you are like focusing on multiple things in every span of time, so you cannot able to focus on that. So that's why basically I basically getting motivation because it's feel like I sometimes got distracted, and there's a lot of people as well who just commenting below that why I'm not getting reach to the peoples what I basically genuinely need to be. So it's happened to everyone. So this is a phase of life, so you need to understand that, and I am also understanding that. Okay, so let's see the older video, because from that video particularly I learned I'm going to learn a lot. And nowadays it's very easy to basically upload video because I do have some sort of accessories, right? But previously there is nothing like that, nothing. Just try to basically uploading video, just try to basically thinking of doing that particularly. Sometimes I upload videos on the lunch basically. That much of having that much of stressful life, I just upload video. That is a very important thing for me, right? So just going to start with the one video which I've already uploaded. Just hold a second. Because in the previous video as well, I didn't care about the outside voice. I just upload the video, so that's why I didn't try to basically start it from the previous video, because in that there is a lot of voice, right? Because of that I do not want to basically start video again. Just uh, this one basically I'm going to start with this video.
Hi everyone, how you doing all? I hope you had a great day. So welcome back to my channel. This side English learner. I'm gonna do practice in this video about cue cards that I picked about to speak in this video. So the topic about is describing a rule that I don't like in my life. So this is the topic that I'm gonna speak in this video. So let's have started.
Just hold a second.
So I know like rules are important to build a beautiful personality in your life. So you have to go on through a lot of different kind of rules so that you can be able to improve yourself in difficult situation, because you never know like when the things happen. So so I have known a situation where I went to NCC camp where we need to wake up around 4 o'clock. So there you can say a lot of, you need to follow a lot of disciplines, rules. If you don't follow the rules, and then you will definitely got punished by your instructor, and that is completely a big mistake you did, because they are giving a lots of punishment, difficult punishment that can make you think again for like breaking the rules. So I there is a thing that I dislike about it, like we have to wake up around 4 o'clock. So it is kind of challenging for me initially, because I'm kind of person who wake up around 6 o'clock, because I never made this kind of habit, and been there having a lot of rules. I am follow all the rules, but this is kind of difficult for me, like waking up around 4 o'clock. But when I realized that waking up at a 4 o'clock is a like kind of interesting things for us, because at that time you will get a lots of focus, a lot of motivation, because that is the time like nobody else is working out and you are working out, you are working on yourself. So now right now I'm realizing that thing, like how much is it important for us to waking up in the morning and working hard for yourself. So there I have learned a lot of things from that.
So this is the video which I've already uploaded. I think I never care about like what I'm looking like. I just try to upload video. That is the most important part in my life. So on this video, that is it. And I just told about like discipline, how it is important to be a disciplined person in life. So that is all about today's video. Bye bye. Have a good day.